The ice cream shops are going to hate me. Homemade ice cream. With only $3, I made 4 liters of ice cream. Super creamy, and I'm sure you're going to be surprised with it. We're going to need 500 milliliters of water, a package of powdered juice, you can choose the flavor, a carton of condensed milk, a carton of heavy milk, and now let's beat everything. This recipe is very economic. Enjoy this moment and tell me what city in the world you're watching this video from, okay? I love to know how far you can get. After beating it very well, let's pour it in an ice cream pot. You can use any pot, but if you have a nice ice cream one, it's better to get in the mood. And let's take it to the fridge for 3 hours. After 3 hours, our mixture is in this texture. Let's go to the second part of our ice cream, okay? Let's add 1 teaspoon of emulsifier. You can find this product very easy in every supermarket, and it's super cheap. And we have to use it because without it, our ice cream won't have the right texture. Look, guys, how our ice cream has doubled the size. Seriously, guys, this recipe is very cheap and it yields a lot. Make it that I'm sure you won't regret it. And let's take the same pot we took to the fridge and pour our ice cream in it. I put the first layer, and to put on top, I made a ganache, which is super easy to make. I melted some chocolate and mixed heavy cream. And then I'm going to put the rest of the ice cream on it. And look how much it gets. I will need another ice cream pot. Here I made it 3 flavors: strawberry, lemon, and passion fruit. Tell me, what's your favorite flavor for ice cream? I'm curious. Mine is strawberry. And my hug today goes to Ann Holly from Virginia. She commented on our video saying that she loved the recipe of our coconut cloud. Thanks, darling. It means a lot for us that you're interacting with us. And let's take our ice cream to the fridge for 7 to 8 hours. If you want, you can make it at night and let the ice cream spend the night in the fridge. It's better, okay? Around here, my ice cream is already done, and I'm excited to show you the result. The creaminess of this ice cream is unbelievable. Nobody believes that I made this ice cream with powdered juice, guys. It's incredible. I think it's difficult not to get surprised with this recipe. Super easy, cheap, and yields a lot. From 0 to 10, what grade do I deserve for today's recipe? Soon I will answer each one of you, okay? I hope you liked today's recipe. See you on the next video. Goodbye.